Hello dear student, myself Swapnil Bageshwar, and today we will going to discuss about this topic, that is computer software and input output devices. So dear student, our topic is input output and storage devices. Dear student, our computer system contain many hardware part. Okay, so what is hardware? Hardware means the part connected to the computer and which we can see and can touch it. Okay, so this entire computer system consists of many hardware parts or many peripheral devices, and that devices generally categorized into input, output and storage devices. So here question arises, what is input devices? Okay, so dear student, input devices are the devices through which we can give input to the computer system. Okay, we can give input to the computer system or send some kind of data to the computer system. For example, when we type with through the keyboard, then we send some information to the computer system or to the CPU for further process. Okay, likewise when we click the mouse button, then also send some information to the processor. Okay, so the devices through which we send the information or data to the computer system are called as input devices. So example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, okay, are the example of input devices. Now next is what is output devices. So output devices mean the devices through which we get the output. Output devices is used to provide the output to the user. Like when we get some output, we can see it over monitor. Okay, or other example I can give you, our printer. When we give the print to the through the computer, when that we will get output in hard paper. Okay, so printer is another output device. Okay, so and your speaker is even some and your speaker is also output devices. When we play the music, we get sound outside. Okay, so that's why your speaker is also output device. Okay, now what is storage devices? Its name itself suggests it is going to store something. So what storage devices is used to store? Storage device is used to store process data. Your CDs, DVDs and pen drive are the storage devices. We generally use that storage devices to store our music, our videos, our movies, our documents, okay, in the electronic form. Okay, or you can say it is processed form. Okay, so storage devices is used to store the data. Okay, so getting what is input device, output device, storage device, understood? Okay, with this student we will end up today's class. We will meet soon. Okay, thank you for watching.